Karating ko lang sa Matsudo. At yung hat ko, Matsudo. Shopping na ako saglit. Nandito ako sa Ipipilipit. My favorite yun. My favorite yun. Wala lang doon mag-sit up everyone. I'm back at gusto ko lang ipakita yung mga na-shopping ko last day nung nagpunta ako ng Matsudo everyone. So nagpunta ako ng Matsudo. I think after inatid ko sila si Ate Zini. So nagdaan ako ng Matsudo ay nagpunta ako dun sa Seria. And then wala lang. I buy this Nindo. This one. So I'm using this one. So lagay natin siya dito. So saan ko siya ilagay? O dito. So I buy this one to this pink and white because this is how I create my Hello Kitty face. Wag using this one dahil magaan lang siya na para lang siyang styrofoam. And I buy this craft bondo. So dalawa. I buy this one dahil kailangan ko mag-stock ng mga ganyan dahil mahilig ako crafting. And I buy this also this band na talagang for shoes like that leather. So I need this one. And also I buy these two faux lashes. I think it's so cute and simple lang talaga siya everyone. So perfect siya. Dalhin ko siya sa travel. So lagay natin siya dyan. And I buy this one for my nails band. And I buy this eyelashes glow. And then yesterday pumunta dito yung kaibigan ko from Kamiari. So nagbisita sila sa akin dito dahil mayroon silang pinapaputulan sa akin ng mga damit. So dumaan kami doon sa Treasure Factory because mayroong Treasure Factory dito near in my house. So I found this one everyone. I found this one and I think it's so cute. So sabi ko, I want this one. Gusto kong upuan dito while I'm doing my makeup. So hello, pipihin ako. Pipihin ako. It's in my bag. So yeah, look at pipihin ako. So cute, right? So I found this one is My Melody. It's only 300 yen. So it's not bad the price. So and it's new. You know, thrift store is not all that used. Talagang mayroon kang if you know, I love thrift store. I love recycle shop. I love thrift store. I love thrifting because you know, it's more fun doon sa thrift store dahil marami ako nakikita doon na hindi ko nakikita sa department store or shopping mall. Talagang nandun ang dami and then also the price talaga. If makatiming ka talaga ng murang presyo talagang wow na wow. And also maraming new everyone like this one. This is a new one. So and it's a 300 yen so it's not bad. So I buy this one and I think it's so cute and gusto kong upuan dito. And yeah, or upuan ibibihin ako. So yeah, I buy this one. So this is what I buy everyone and I think iwan ko kung mayroon ba ako nakalimutan na ipakita. But you know, mayroon pa akong some of my Victoria's Secret haul everyone. And mayroon akong mga Victoria's Secret na mga na-shopping ko when me and daddy in Guam so hindi ko pa napakita. So this is my day and have a lovely day and let's be safe always and kisses everyone. See you the next video and let's go to Hakone and I'm so excited to go back this place because I love this place and the beautiful places there, also the natures, and I'm so very excited and thank you so much and yeah, get ready with me. Wala lang, sina-charge ko yung headset ko dahil medyo tayo ano niya. So yeah, and thank you so much everyone and bye!